Good morning. I express my love for my homeland by these lines of late राहत इंदौरी. हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को अपनी जान कहते हैं. हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को अपनी जान कहते हैं और मोहब्बत की इसी मिट्टी को हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं. मोहब्बत की इसी मिट्टी को हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं और हो लाख जुल्म मगर बद्दुआ नहीं देंगे. हो लाख जुल्म मगर बद्दुआ नहीं देंगे और जमीन माँ है, जमी को दगा नहीं देंगे. ए वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन and happy Independence Day. Today on 15th August 2025 we are celebrating 79th Independence Day. On this day in 1947 India broke the chains of British rule after a long struggle full of sacrifices, courage and unity. We remember the great leaders who gave their lives so that we could breathe the air of freedom. Friends, independence was not given to us as a gift. It was earned with blood, sweat and sacrifice. Our freedom fighters faced bullets, jails and even death, but they never gave up of their dreams of a free India. That is why we today live in a country where we can speak freely, dream big and work to achieve our goals. Loving our country is a natural phenomenon. It carries no appeal, it catches no attention, in short, it catches no impression. My love for country, that is India, is quite different from others. I love my country because it deserves to be loved. I respect it as it deserves to be respected. I revere my country because it deserves to be revered. I love India for its abundance of acceptance. I love India for its abundance of acceptance, for its broadness of belief, its clarity of creed, for its depth of diversity, for elegance of equality, for fondness of fraternity, for its grandeur of greatness, for holiness of hospitality, and for its immensity of its inclusiveness. India is a beacon of progress, a beacon of prosperity, a beacon of peace and a beacon of positivity. That is why my love for my country is quite different. Our tricolor is not just a piece of clothing. It is the pride of 1.4 billion hearts. Each time it reminds us our duty to keep India united, strong and respected. In the word of the special day, on this special day, let us take a place. We will work together for nation, for progress. We will protect its dignity and we will pass on stronger India to the next generation. रोक सकता हमें जिंदा ने भला क्या मजरूब, हम तो आवाज हैं दीवारों से छन जाते हैं. जय हिंद, जय भारत.